are a star in your own life.
Hi there, full of the interweb. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kachi Agnes with my channel. Hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. So if you love those kinds of content, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel. We are on a journey to 31,000 subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, what do we say over here? Welcome back home. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. Amen. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be doing a clay wash, a clay mask, a clay tutorial, a clay, whatever you want to call it, okay? Call it whatever you choose is, whatever you want to call it, okay? So, without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get ready to the video. So guys, this is when a regular, bring clay, bring apple cider vinegar. Let's just mix and apply on our scalp and keep pushing. No, this is a herbal clay mask, a herbal clay mask. All products are available on my hair care company store, DIYs by Kachi. The clay mask, we're going to be using the herbs, we're going to be using the oil, we're going to be using every single damn thing. Yeah. Okay, so guys, let's get right into it. Okay. So starting off first with our multi-use clay powder from DIYs by Kachi. This clay powder contains bentonite and kaolin clay. So guys, bentonite clay is amazing for drawing out toxins from your hair and build up from product and hard water. Remember we did a hard water video, link at the top right corner. You can also use bentonite clay just for hard water build up. Okay, so it also helps to alleviate itchy scalp. Your scalp is always scratching you and it's always inflamed. You can also try bentonite clay. It's amazing. Okay, the next thing that's inside this our multi-use clay powder is, guessed it, kaolin clay. Okay, so kaolin clay on the other hand is a milder clay. It is great if you have sensitive scalp. It also helps with soothing your scalp, alleviating scalp inflammation and itchy scalp. Yeah, it helps with that also, and it also helps to like balance your pH of your scalp and create a perfect environment on your scalp for hair growth. Okay, what makes this a herbal clay wash is we're going to be using herbs in our hair. I mean, we're talking about like the DIY by Kachi revitalizing tea blend. Yay! So this tea blend contains henna, moringa, black tea, green tea, and rosemary. Okay, so we're going to get 5 herbs in this thing. So let's get right into making this clay mask. So we're starting right off with the DIYs by Kachi revitalizing tea blend. This has henna, moringa, black tea, green tea, and rosemary. So it's great for shedding if your hair is coming off and you're trying to incorporate herbs in your hair, finding a way just to make this tea. Okay, this is the one to use clay powder. It comes in 150 grams and 200 grams respectively for 3,000 naira and 3,500 naira. You can shop this on the Paystack or Seller store. I used an entire pack of the 150 grams, but I like my clay wash with you guys, so I can put in a spray in an applicator bottle and then apply it to my hair. Yeah, it's just easier for me rather than having to apply with a brush or with my hand. I just rather apply it from an applicator bottle. Okay, so I added a few drops of my edge trigger elixir because why not? Like for real, why not? Just tell me why not. Exactly, I thought as much. So now this is in an applicator bottle. You can also shop the applicator bottle from DIYs by Kachi. I'm so proud of how far my brand has come. The time when I only had like oils, teas, and butters, now it's an actual complete range with tools. I mean, spray bottle, applicator bottle, shampoo, conditioners, plural, kids products. I've come so far as a brand owner, and I'm so proud of myself. I always like try my best to give myself flowers because it's very easy for you to get carried away and not give yourself flowers and like, oh, I need to do more, oh, I need to get bigger. But no, I'm taking out time to give myself flowers. Okay, see how good my clay is. I can easily say I have the best clay in the market, in the world. Yeah. Yeah. It's not even, yeah, others can compete though, but they don't compare. They can try to compare, they don't even come close. Okay, so you guys try to get this clay. If there's one thing I would say you should get that is not my oils, my elixirs, then the clay is your baby, and then the softener, the target living conditioner, but the clay is your baby. Okay, just applying it to my scalp and to my hair. And yeah, I shampooed my hair prior because I just like to shampoo my hair before I do a clay mask. It's just a preference. It's not like, oh, it's compulsion. People would rather not, but I said to just shampoo mine beforehand. I just would rather do that. Okay, just applying it all over, guys. The advantage of using an applicator bottle, it just applies on a lot more easier. So I applied it in sections, like, because my hair was already twisted from the shampoo routine. So I applied it section by section by section before I let my hair down as a full afro. And yeah, it is safe for your skin. Yeah, guys, so you can apply the clay mask to your skin. And this is me looking like a low-budget ghost. A low-budget Nigerian film ghost. And guys, see it's going to feel heavy on your hair. Like, but then your curls are going to come out. Your curls are going to be enhanced. Your curls are going to thank you. Your curls are going to say, thank you for choosing DIYs by Kachi. But, oh well. This is what my hair looked like. I just tried to just do a very, very quick shake. My scalp felt really, really nice, guys. So did a very quick shake, and guys,
this is me looking like a ghost. Then I quickly washed it off and then went ahead to condition. So you have to like stand under a shower or something that has high pressure to wash off all of it. You can try to wash it off section by section, because the truth is that like when you leave the clay in for like 15, 20, 30 minutes and the clay starts to harden, it can harden even in your ears. I had clay in my ears till like, I think it was till the next day. I didn't even know, and I went up with clay in my ears. I didn't even know. But I'm just trying to wash it all off, get into all the corners of my scalp, and I love doing a clay mask. That's the summary of this video. This is not even a tutorial again. I love this, is me giving testimony to why I love doing a clay mask. So this is what my hair looked like. It just looked very nice. And then I had to just go and like deep condition. I always deep condition after a clay mask. Some people say, oh, don't deep condition, you can just go ahead and style. Yeah, it does your preference. I always try my best to apply conditioner every time I do anything major in my hair, like wash my hair, like shampoo, clay mask. Because like I told you guys, I suffered from like a breakage shedding experience. So why would I not deprive myself? Why do you deprive yourself of the good things of life? So I went to Detox by Kachi, nourishing and revitalizing deep conditioner. And this means just washing it all off. You know the vibe, washing sections. After which I did a series. Guys, that same series at the beginning. Yeah, I kept some for this series. I also put it in, and that's applicator bottles. You can even know me and applicator bottles. I go through applicator bottles like this on like my wash. I use like 2 or 3 different applicator bottles, because that is on my Paystack store. So you can always get your own for like 700 naira or so. So this is me showing you guys my serums. I just excited about it. I applied it to my scalp after rinsing out the conditioner. Then that was it for my wash day, guys, for my clay mask. That was it. That's all. Don't forget to shop DIYs by Kachi. Yeah. Bye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Tell me if you've ever tried a clay wash in the comment section. If you watched the video up to this point, leave a color white. Yeah, color of the clay powder. White. I don't want to say yellow, so white emoji, okay? Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Kachi. TikTok Natural Kachi, Instagram Natural Kachi, YouTube Natural Kachi. We're already 31,000 subscribers over here. X Natural Kachi. LinkedIn is a Natural Kachi. Yeah. Professional influencer. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to faith it till you make it, and remember that God is watching you. Give him an amazing show. Bye. Okay, so now, mommy, oh God, what is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the torment, the torture. Mommy, please, let me breathe. Mommy, leave it and go. Why you not? Mommy. Mommy, please do fast. I'm filming.